Like everyone, 2020 took Department of Sound by surprise. Instead of a year full of planned in-person workshops, we had to pivot and create all virtual, COVID-safe methods of connecting with our students and providing them with music and podcast production education. We're very proud of what we were able to accomplish last year.
We launched our first ever virtual program with a 4-week intensive called the Spring 2020 Music Producer Academy Series, focusing on the youth of Sacramento, California, and partnering with established community centers, La Familia Counseling Center and the Mac Road Valley High Community Center.
Based on the success of the virtual launch that we did here in Sacramento, we decided to broaden the scope by offering our free introductory curriculum online as a self-paced course called the Summer of Sound. Within months, we were able to reach hundreds of students around the globe. Our online push continued with the development of the Department of Sound Resource Hub, which is available to anybody around the world. It contains free videos, articles, and lessons all about the various aspects of music production, as well as podcast production. In addition to that, it also hosts our Industry Insights program, through which we hold a number of online events and conduct interviews with industry professionals.
We are happy to say that by going online, we were able to continue collaborating with our inspiring partners like Bigger Than Us Arts and Sacramento Youth Band. And we look forward to growing the number of organizations that we can work with and support in the future. As we move into 2021 and beyond, we're proud to highlight 2 ongoing virtual initiatives that came out of last year: our Valley Producer Program and our Department of Sound School Curriculum.
The Valley Producer Program teaches music production and podcasting fundamentals to students at their own pace. It allows them to use a cloud-based production software to create and collaborate on music and podcast projects.
We have had over 400 student signups through various countries, including the US, Puerto Rico, Brazil, Russia, India, the UK, Singapore, St. Lucia, Mexico, South Korea, Sweden, Belgium, and France. Moving forward, the Department of Sound School Curriculum Program is the primary way we plan to reach our students and meet their needs. It brings our high-quality music education curriculum directly to schools, not only giving support to students, but educators and administrators alike.
By the end of 2020, we enrolled 2,000 students into our school curriculum program, and we aim to reach 30,000 students in 2021 and 250,000 students in 2024. Through funding and partnerships, we'll fully subsidize the program for any school that needs it, especially Title I schools and those without an existing music program.
Looking into the future, we're really excited about the opportunity to continue developing our curriculum offering, as well as our programs and services. We're also excited about partnering with like-minded nonprofits and brands in order to bring these free tools and resources to as many young music students as humanly possible.
We're grateful for the perspective that this uncertain time has provided us. Last year was an unexpected but opportune chance for all of us at Department of Sound to really understand our mission even more clearly and to find creative ways to most effectively deliver on that mission for years to come.
Thank you to all of our partners and supporters for joining our community and making it possible for us to continue providing opportunities to youth through music. Here's to more music and more connection in 2021 and beyond.